What's up, guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another Patreon video. I wanted to make this really fast because I feel like there is a little bit of an issue where people are getting scammed out of money because they're saying that they want to enroll them in copy trading. Copy trading is real. That account is fake. The account that's asking you to give you some money, or they're like, hey, give me money. No, don't give them any money. It is a scam. They're going to take your money and they're not going to give you anything in return. So don't do that. But copy trading is definitely a real thing. And you can honestly do it over in Margex if you guys are interested in doing that, or at least testing it out. What is copy trading? Just to give you a breakdown, right? They try and take advantage of people that may not know a lot about it. And they'll be like, oh, well, I heard of copy trading. And they'll look up the definition and then they'll see that other people can do that. It doesn't say whether you're using your own money there or you're doing it yourself. You're saying that you're copying other people. And basically it's like, oh, well, that makes sense. I send it to somebody else. They send me the money back. No, that's not how things work. So copy trading lets less experienced traders copy the same trades of more skilled investors. In short, copy trading is literally copying someone's work, but in a good way. Think of it in a classroom setting. If you want a good grade, you follow the example of the person who studies and knows what they are doing instead of just guessing for yourself. That's pretty much what copy trading is. So obviously you don't want to cheat. It's basically cheating, right? You're cheating the system and you're finding someone that's successful. They're trading, you're copying their trades, and you're making money from it, hopefully. Now, like I said, Margex offers a form of copy trading. If you guys are interested in the crypto side of things, feel free to use my link down below. I don't want anybody to get scammed. I'm going to release this video on Patreon first. And, because obviously people are struggling. There's been a couple of messages, or one message that's reached out to me and said, hey, this person has an account. They're asking me for $1,000. And I'm like, no, don't do that. It's a scam. Hopefully I got to you in time. So I'm going to put this video out on Patreon first to inform everybody, let everybody know what copy trading truly is, and have them go the Margex route if those people want to start copy trading. But if you guys are interested in copy trading on YouTube, you can go over to Margex, use my link down below, and you'll be able to start copy trading and seeing, maybe 1,371% or 1,000% here, or 600, 700% there. Now, obviously results will vary. They've had that success, but it doesn't mean that they'll continue to have that success. And you'll be able to look at their achievements, look at collateral and what you are going to use. And that's within the platform. Right? As you are doing that, it's within the platform. So make sure you guys understand that you're trading with a certain platform. You're doing it, not sending it to somebody else. That's another account on Twitter or on YouTube. You're physically doing it on that platform. So if you guys want to start copy trading, you can do that on the Margex platform. You can look at different strategies. You can build your own strategy as well. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the description. But I just wanted to inform everybody that there are more scams. Every time there's a new definition, a new thing that happens, whether it's trading bots, copy trading, or just trading in general, right? Or airdrops, they always find a way to scam those things. So make sure you protect yourself. And if you are going to copy trade, you do it the right way. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.